Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on withdrawing from your account in the Binomo broker. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account using the tether method of CB20. And in this tutorial, we intend to make a withdrawal using the tether method of CB20. Please note that if this is your first time withdrawing, you need to manually enter your wallet address. By clicking this option, you will connect with support and provide them with your address for verification. And in subsequent times, there is no need to repeat this step, and you can easily make withdrawals. Click on the avatar and enter the status section. And in this part, we click on Withdraw Funds. In the page you see, in the first section, enter the amount of tether you wish to withdraw. In the second section, enter the code. And in the last section, enter the address. After entering this information, we click on Submit Withdrawal Request. Please be aware that to make a withdrawal without a fee, you absolutely need to have a turnover, double the deposited amount. Otherwise, you are required to pay a 10% fee. For example, here when we had a deposit of $20, we need to have a turnover of $40. Otherwise, we need to pay a fee of approximately $2. And we click on the Request Withdrawal option. As you can see, our withdrawal request has been successfully registered. And after the verification process, the desired amount will be credited to our account within 1 hour to 1 day. You can view the details of this transaction in the Go to Transaction Details section. You can view the details of this transaction in the Transaction History section in full. Well, as you can see, if all withdrawal steps are followed correctly, it will be successfully completed in less than an hour. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss various other methods of deposit and withdrawal with you, wishing you success and profitability.